So we have advanced potion making. This is a forensics challenge worth 100 points for pico CTF. Ron just found his own copy of advanced potion making, but it's been corrupted by some kind of spell. Have him recover it. So this is a reference to Harry Potter and the Half-Blood Prince, when the book that they are fighting over, Harry and Ron, in the book and in the movie. So anyways, we have advanced potion making. Let's go ahead and download it. It looks like I already downloaded it. So actually let's take a look in Notepad++. Okay, so can't really see much there. Okay, so let's open it in HXD and let's pop it in. And okay, so we've got PB, IHDR, sRGB. So this tells me that this file is probably a PNG file, a portable network graphics file. I think it's what it stands for. So, but it is corrupted. We cannot actually open this with, if we try to open it with GIMP, it's going to say it's corrupted. Yeah. So, okay, no problem. Let's look up PNG header magic bytes. Okay. So, specifically though, IHDR. So let's do PNG IHDR magic bytes, and let's go to this one, or not, that doesn't really help us. Let's see if this has it. No. So let's go here. Okay. Yeah, so this is what we need because it has the PNG signature and the IHDR length. And the chunk type. That's what we need. We don't want to mess with the width or height. So okay, what we're going to do is this. We're going to go byte by byte. So 89 50 4E. Okay, that's our first change. 47 0D 0A 1A 0A. Okay, so the only thing changed there is 4E 47. That's fine. 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 D. Okay. And now 49, 48, 44, 49, 48, 44, 52. That's all the same. Okay. So what we changed is this N and G and then these three bytes here. Okay, so let's Control S that. It should automatically make a backup file. Yep, it did. So now what we're going to do is we're going to open this with Paint. So let's put it in here. Okay, so it's a red background. So usually when we have this, you can look for metadata and strings and stuff like that. But the fact that this is red means that this is probably something visual. So what we're going to do is we're actually going to fill in the background with our secondary color of white. And once we do that, it reveals the flag. So let's go ahead and put this in here. So it's pico CTF Wizardry. I think that's a 1 for R, D, R, Y. I think that's it. Yep, there we go.